24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Encourage the children to discuss how we can take care of our health. Discuss the concept of taking bath, brushing teeth, washing hands, cutting nails, and other personal hygiene. Now show the picture of a nurse and ask the children if they know who she is. Some of them may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a nurse. Ask the children if they have seen her and what she does. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that a nurse works in a hospital and takes care of patients. Now show to the class a picture of a nest and frame the questions like you have asked about the nurse. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter N and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize letter N. Learn its related vocabulary and trace the capital letter N with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Write the letter N on the writing board. Tell the children that this is capital letter N and it says Say the sound of the letter N. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound.
N, N, nurse. N, N, nurse. N, N, nurse.
Nurse. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter N activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter N on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the red point. Draw a straight line downwards. Start from the red point again and draw a slanting line downwards. Then bounce back and draw another line upwards. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter N with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter N in the air, or on their desks, or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize N. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter N can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.